Welcome to Cine Tech. Today, we're reviewing the DJI Flip RC-N3 drone, a compact, beginner-friendly option with a 4K UHD camera and protected propellers. This drone aims to offer a great experience for both new pilots and content creators. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into the DJI Flip's real-world performance and practical capabilities. Stable flight, a 3-axis gimbal, and stunning 4K HDR video make this drone excellent for high-quality content creation. Simple controls, intelligent flight modes, and propeller guards make this drone exceptionally safe and user-friendly, especially for beginners. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone avoids FAA registration, making it incredibly portable and travel-friendly for adventurers on the go. Operational stability is strong for its class, but long-term evidence is currently limited due to its newer product status. The DJI Flip proves itself in real-world use, offering impressive features and easy handling that cater to both new flyers and content creators effectively. Next, we examine if the DJI Flip's features and performance justify its market price. The impressive 4K camera, stable gimbal, and intelligent flight modes provide a compelling feature set that justifies the price. DJI's reputation for quality and innovation in the drone market brings significant buyer confidence to this product. Against similar drones in its category, the Flip offers competitive value, which improves even further when discounted. The drone's overall value becomes even more compelling when it's available at a discounted price, offering a great incentive. Considering its features and DJI's reputation, the Flip offers solid value, particularly when it's available with a meaningful discount. Let's consider the potential risks and common complaints buyers should be aware of with this drone. The inclusion of lightweight carbon fiber propeller guards significantly enhances durability and provides robust protection against common impacts. While reliable for typical use, long-term performance data is somewhat limited, indicating buyers should monitor early experiences closely. DJI has an established support network, though specific long-term support experiences for this newer product are still emerging. The RC-N3 controller relies on your smartphone for its display, and the DJI Fly app must be downloaded directly from their website. Overall, buyer risks are relatively low, but it's wise to consider the newness of the product and the RC-N3 smartphone dependency. The DJI Flip RC-N3 is an excellent choice if you're a beginner or a creator looking for a protected, capable drone. Its strong flight and camera features, combined with high brand trust, make it a compelling package. While the RC-N3 needs a smartphone, the overall value and safety features are impressive. We recommend buying this drone, especially if you find it at a good discount. It's a solid investment for capturing your aerial adventures.